All right, what we're looking at in this experiment is a diffraction pattern. Right now, all you're going to really notice in the center of the screen is just some circle, and in the center of that circle there's a very bright spot, and around that bright spot you're going to see two faint but present rings. Now what that really is, if we step around it, is that's one end of an apparatus. What you see now is something that should look basically like an enlarged light bulb. And on the left side of that enlarged light bulb, electrons are getting accelerated. And then they are passing through some graphite, a diffraction grating, and the beam of electrons then spreads out, and we are able to see the beam of electrons on this screen. Now, keeping the camera focused on the screen, I'm going to start reducing the voltage that accelerates the electrons. And when I reduce the voltage that accelerates the electrons, they have less energy, and you should see that the rings get a little bit farther apart. And if I increase it, they have more energy, and the rings start to contract, and something just happened there. That's what we're trying to make sense of in this experiment. We're trying to make sense of the fact that as we change the energy of the electrons, the way in which they spread out changes, and we're going to see in the data if it follows the pattern that was predicted by de Broglie.